Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Subject EVS 2, Chapter number 10, Baji Prabhu and the Memorable Battle of Godkin, Part 1. Hello students, today we are going to study in this chapter how Shivaji Maharaj escaped from Panhalgarh to Vishalgarh. But before we start with this lesson, we'll do a small recap of the previous lesson. So students, let us do a small recap of the previous lesson, that is Pratapgarh makes history. In that lesson, Afzal Khan, the mighty Sardar in the court of Adil Shah, took up the challenge of putting down Shivaji. But when Shivaji Maharaj came to know about that, Shivaji Maharaj shifted his headquarters from Rajgarh to Pratapgarh. And Afzal Khan attacked the holy cities of Pandharpur and Tuljapur to force Shivaji to come down to the plains. Later, Shivaji convinced his willingness to meet Khan at the Machi of Pratapgarh. Shivaji equipped himself in self-defense. During the welcome, Khan embraced, held Shivaji's neck in his iron grip and stabbed him with dagger. Shivaji drew Bichwa into Khan's stomach and killed him. Shivaji's army destroyed Khan's army. Fazl Khan managed to escape and gave the account of disaster to Bijapur court. So in this way, Shivaji Maharaj killed Afzal Khan. Afzal Khan was such a huge man, but Shivaji was really a brave person. So children, now let us start with our lesson number 10. The first topic which we are going to cover is Shivaji conquers Panhala. Adil Shah gets angry. Children, in the last lesson we have seen that Shivaji killed Afzal Khan and the kingdom of Bijapur was still mourning the death of Afzal Khan and the complete rout of his army. So, taking the advantage, Shivaji captured the fort of Panhala from the Bijapur garrison. Children, the meaning of mourning means sorrow. This threw Adil Shah into fit of wild rage. Wild rage means anger. He could neither eat nor sleep. So he dispatched another Sardar. His name was Siddhi Johar against Shivaji. Siddhi Johar had huge army with him. Fazl Khan, who was the son of Afzal Khan, also wanted to take the revenge of his father's death. So he also accompanied Siddhi Johar. The siege of Panhalgarh. Children, the meaning of siege means a military operation in which enemy are surrounded. Students, now Siddhi Johar, who was one of the Sardar at the court of Adil Shah, was brave but ruthless. Ruthless here means having no pity. He laid siege to Panhalgarh and confined Shivaji within the fort. The rainy season was approaching and Shivaji thought that once the rain came, Siddhi Johar would leave the siege. But Siddhi Johar did nothing of the kind. On the contrary, with the arrival of the monsoon, he further tightened the siege. means he increased his army more. Looking at this, Shivaji now was in a fix. In a fix means was in a difficult situation because the supplies in the fort were running out, means there was shortage of food grains. Since he could not force Siddhi Johar to leave the siege by an open battle, he decided to cheat Siddhi Johar by playing a clever game. So, Shivaji sent a message to Siddhi Johar to the effect that he would shortly surrender fort. Siddhi was very happy now. My dear students, now you all know that the Siddhi's troops were already tired of working day and night. So they all were very pleased to hear that Shivaji agreed to surrender. They all relaxed the watch and indulged in food, drink and music. Shivaji escapes from the siege. Let us see how Shivaji escapes. Students, Shivaji made a bold plan to escape from the siege. He asked the Maulas to keep two palanquins ready. One was meant for Shivaji, in which he would proceed using a difficult route, and the other one would be occupied by another person disguised as Shivaji. Meaning of disguised means changing one's appearance. This palanquin was to leave by the Rajdindi. This other palanquin would be easily spotted by enemy forces and it would be captured by them, while the enemy celebrated the capture of Shivaji. The real Shivaji would escape by difficult route. This was the bold plan. Students, the person who resembled Shivaji in looks, his name was Shivakashit. He was hairdresser in Shivaji's service. He was very courageous and shrewd. As planned, the palanquin carrying Shivakashit came out of Rajdindi. It was a dark night and it was raining very heavily. But still, some enemy soldiers were keeping watch. They captured the palanquin and they thought that they caught Shivaji himself and took the palanquin to Siddhi's camp. In meanwhile, Shivaji escaped from the fort by the difficult route. He was accompanied by Baji Prabhu Deshpande and some select soldiers. The Bandal Deshmukh army accompanied them. After some time, the plot of Shivakashid was exposed. Children, now when the plot of Shivakashid was exposed, Siddhi Johar got very angry and he killed Shivakashid there and there. Shivakashid sacrificed his own life in the cause of Shivaji and Swarajya. Thus, he became immortal in history. Later, when Siddhi learned that Shivaji had given him the slip, he was very angry and immediately he dispatched his Sardar Siddhi Masood, accompanied by a big army, in search of Shivaji. At daybreak, the pursuing horsemen caught up with Shivaji at Pandharpani stream. Shivaji was now in real trouble. With the great difficulty, he and his men crossed the Godkhind Pass. Children, the meaning of daybreak is the time in the morning when daylight first appears. Now, let us study Baji Prabhu the Brave. The angry troops of Siddhi were coming towards Godkhind Pass. Shivaji saw that it was impossible to reach Vishalgarh before the enemy took them. He said to Baji Prabhu, Baji, this is very critical situation. The road ahead is steep and the enemy is right on our hills. It was impossible to reach Vishalgarh. So, let us turn back and face the enemy. Baji Prabhu understood the great nervousness going on in Shivaji's mind. The enemy was fast approaching the pass. The life of Shivaji and therefore also of Swarajya was in danger. He said, Maharaj, you must proceed to Vishalgarh. Take a handful of soldiers with you. I shall defend this pass and we will not let the enemy cross it. Baji Prabhu said to Shivaji, I shall lay down my life in defense of this pass if need be. If I die, there will be many other Bajis to take my place, Maharaj. But no one can replace you, and our Swarajya needs you. The enemy will attack in large numbers. We cannot hold out against them with our limited force. Please do not wait. Go ahead. We shall stop the enemy at the entrance to the pass. We shall not let him advance till we know that you have reached Vishalgarh safely. Baji Prabhu's brave words and his sense of loyalty brought tears to Shivaji's eyes. He was most unwilling to sacrifice this gem of a man for his personal safety. But he had no time to think of these things. He wanted to achieve his ideal of Swarajya. So he fondly embraced Baji and said, We shall move ahead towards Vishalgarh, and as soon as we gain the fort, guns will be fired. That will be the signal of our safe arrival. As soon as you hear the gunfire, Baji, please leave the pass and follow us to the fort. Thank you children for watching this video. We will continue with our part 2 in our next video.